Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Nagoya. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions at your own pace for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome. Let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. About 7 hours is ideal for this tour. This restored castle, originally completed in 1612, features artifacts and exhibits on the Edo period. Next stop, Nagoya TV Tower. Emblematic 180m steel tower with 2 observation decks, plus a restaurant and beer garden. Then on to Osu KANNON. Rebuilt Buddhist temple founded in the 14th century, with a library of important classical works. Then on to the next attraction. Then on to Port of Nagoya Public Aquarium. Modern aquarium with many species, including whales, plus concessions and a popular dolphin show. Next to Atsuta JINGU. This revered shrine surrounded by cypress trees contains a sacred sword and has artifacts on display. The most popular travel time in Nagoya is August. The temperature ranges from 32 to 24 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. Atsuta Shrine Festival is in June. Nagoya Festival is in October. Osu Street Performers Festival is in October. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and for more help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.